Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix your WhatsApp backup stuck. In order to fix this, you would have to open your mobile settings. Now once you're in the settings, go to apps. Search for WhatsApp. Once you're in the WhatsApp section, allow all the permissions to WhatsApp. Now check the internal storage. Now forcefully stop the app. Now close the settings and go to your cell phone and turn off the Wi-Fi and then turn it on, and hopefully this problem will be fixed. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.